Alright, we're gonna leave as much pipe on there as possible, so...
That's the idea.
Alright, well...
Full send, brother.
Don't turn it back now. What kind of vibranium? This shit ain't doing nothing. I need a new blade.
Brother, do you want some shades?
No.
Or something? Here, let me help you out.
I'll just close my eyes.
That's a good idea.
Hey Austin, there's a hole in your exhaust.
Where? What part of my exhaust?
Just think about
You
what
just
I
fucking cut it. Here.
What is this?
They're shades, bro. Just protect your
I don't
eyeballs.
need, now I can't see shit.
Eat my ass.
Your exhaust is made of Captain America's shield. People steal catalytic converters. This takes too long. Do I try to get this off?
No. It's a security question. What's the first thing? Get them home.
You gonna remember that?
Yeah, it's an inside joke.
It's a whole thing, dude. It started back when we did the spark plugs. Because we were like, when do we gap these things to? Or we were making a, that's what it was, we were making a cardboard list of all the stuff that we had left to do on his car. And so I was like, spark plugs, and then in parentheses I was like, get them hose. 0.031, by the way, boosted DQ. Oh, fuck.
Oh, God, you good?
We good, baby.
All right.
Look
Give
at
me that trash can, bro.
Wait, hold on, the exhaust hanger's stuck.
Oh, God.
I need some lube.
You need some soap, brother?
I need some WD-40.
Oh, you need some you need some WED 40? I'll get you some lube, brother.
Stop drawer, David!
Your directions make no sense! Who the fuck buys this one? Who buys yellow can?
Yeah, where is it? Get her in. Oh, fucking hell. Okay, we're there.
Are you good? Is she lubed up? You almost got it.
Twisty boy, and then you just gotta pull on her till she
Oh.
Pop goes the weasel, and
Wow,
there goes my knuckles.
you plopped her.
Start it.
Oh, bet.
You ready to hear what gay sounds like?
Hold this.
I don't know, is it recording? Dude, I can't see shit in the sunlight. Dude, I literally cannot see the screen at all. Oh, shit! Are these polarized?
Yes.
That's why. I want to point it towards the exhaust. Whoa, how the oh, I gotta zoom out some, but... Oh, honestly, it's not that bad.
Not that bad. It's gonna sound good.
What in the gay? That's not that bad. I don't hate that at all.
That actually sounds good. You want a red line?
I mean, are you gonna catch your gas tank on fire if you We might have done something here.
That sounds money. I like that. That's what I was thinking. When I straight piped it, it was ass, but it sounds tame.
Oh, look at that. I want to listen to the turbo go.
I would get something in my eye right as he passed.
Yes, Dad, yes. That looks like a good tack to me. And this is why welders hate thin metal.
First start.
100% leak free.
Are you serious?
Yeah, not even a single one.
Oh. That's how you do a muffler delete, baby. That sounded pretty good.
That doesn't sound bad at all.
No, it kind of sounds like a VQ, brother.
I don't know about that.
I like it. I like it a lot. I might be a little bit, you know, underinformed, to say the least.
It's called ignorant. Ignant. You little ignant.
I'm a little ignorant.
You little idiot. Are you ready for this, baby?
It's
Oh,
just-
son of a
wow, drop your Ryobi.
Son of-
And then basically we're just gonna
We're just going to yeet her on there.
and just tighten her the fuck up.
Oh, wow.
All right.
We're going to do the same for the other side.
This is a $2 mod.
Tailpipe tuck. The $2 tailpipe tuck. This one's more. Alright.
I think that's all right.
That's a lot
That's
higher
pretty good.
than it was.
Yes, sir.
Shut your door.
That's reverse, that's neutral, drive,
Oh,
and then
shit,
you can
there's a...
shift.
Oh, good lord. So what is holding me back?
You want to shift? You just want to do auto.
Oh. Oh, okay. I was about to say your e-brake. He had it like right. No, that's too far. He had it right there. I said, good lord.
She tight.
I'm just gonna leave her drive.
Well, at least put it in sport, fucker. Get some joy out of it.
Dude, she sounds good.
She purrs.
It's not annoying if you're not trying to be annoying.
I mean, sport shifts later, but
How do I get?
just push it up.
There we go. I was gonna say I'll put her in sport once we're moving.
That's not bad.
You can tell you're static. You feel it, Asa? Yeah.
Thanks, bud. Oh, he about to break you.
We'll have to give her some sauce here in a minute.
Honestly, I really want to know. I wonder if it'll pop like crazy now.
I'm trying to.
Damn, broke all their necks. Woo! I don't know, man. That's
Has it always popped like that? Nope.
it used to be a lot more aggressive.
I feel like a high schooler again, just freaking sending shit just to send it.
Oh, baby.
What? EcoBoost Mustang.
There it is.
I can feel you doing it.
Let's roll the windows up.
Oh, why are you shifting?
That's why I put it in manual.
Oh my.
You're breaking people's necks, but only because it's stupid loud.
It used to be incognito though.
That's right.
I like that.
We're driving her like a manual.
I would have guessed 7% that was stick. Go. It ain't bad though. Here's how loud she is for other people. Oh my god. I like the pop.
Yeah, me too. I think that's the best part about it.
It's not like ridiculous. Like it's just like nice, tasteful.
It's loud, but it's tame. Like it's got tone to it.
Just sounds like you don't know how to drive stick.
God dang! That was so aggressive.
You could totally make this sound like it's a manual.
Yeah. What do you think I do?
left on him.